Hey guys, so it has been super rainy and gloomy here in Texas for the past few days, and our house was in desperate need of some cleaning. So I decided, since we were stuck inside most of the time, that I would do some really intense cleaning of our living room and kitchen. And while I was cleaning, our filters from Filter Joy were actually delivered, which was amazing because we did not have to leave the house with it being wet and rainy on the roads. The filters just came right to us and we didn't even have to think about it. Filter Joy is a subscription service that delivers your filters to your door for the same price that you would pay if you were to go buy them in the store, which is amazing because we always forget to change our filters and we forget what size we need when we do go to the store, or they don't have the correct size that we need. So this has been awesome for us. They are also just a really sweet company. They send a little gift with each filter. So they sent us a Frisbee and some really cute dog treats for our dog Lily, which the boys were very excited about. You guys can actually try Filter Joy for free if you click the link in my description box and use my promo code, which is just simply Madison. You will get your first filter free, and trust me guys, this just makes life easier and you get a free filter out of it. So I would definitely recommend clicking my link and giving them a try.
Come here, Lily, come here! Oh, she dropped it. Good job, Lily!
So our filter was disgusting. Our dog Lily sheds a ton, so it was definitely necessary for us to change out our filter. It's actually really hard on your AC if you do not change your filter out at the proper times, and it's very important for us because we do live in a hot climate, so we need our AC working as well as it possibly can. So definitely go click the link in my description box and try out Filter Joy for free. It will make your life so much easier, I promise.
See you later. Wouldn't want to be ya.
Alright, enough chit chat from me. Let's just get into the cleaning. All right, that is it for today, guys. Please be sure to check out Filter Joy to get a free filter. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.